Tropical storm Jangmi batters Japan, cutting power to 60,000 homes. Tropical storm Jangmi has swept across Japan, delivering severe weather conditions across multiple regions. The storm has caused widespread disruption to power supplies and infrastructure. Approximately 60,000 homes have lost electricity as the storm passes through. Wind speeds and rainfall have intensified across affected areas in recent hours. The storm continues to move across the country, with meteorologists monitoring its trajectory closely. Authorities have issued weather warnings and advised residents in vulnerable areas to seek shelter and secure outdoor items. Emergency services remain on standby. Recovery efforts are underway as communities assess damage and work to restore power supplies. Newms take Mother Nature's reminding Japan why weather preparedness isn't optional. When 60,000 households simultaneously lose power, it's not inconvenience, it's infrastructure getting a reality check.